We need a little red back over here. Pink red. Oh gosh. This is going to be so beautiful for those sweet little birds in the garden. This is a craft that you can do with your grandchildren and little children, you know, there's no wrong to it. It's all right. It's just a matter of just throwing down the inks and letting them do their thing. Let me get some yellow in here. Let's start turning this again. We'll spin it. Here. So that is, once the light hits that, it's just going to be beautiful in the garden. The middle looks like it's a sun and the light is radiating through it. Let's see. I am going to put a little bit more of that pink in here. And the blue. And the green. Let's go for it. Let's spin that and see what happens. It's really going to attract the hummingbirds with the red. They love it. So this is the inside of it. Look how beautiful that is. I'm just going to put a little blue, a little bit more blue and green on the outsides. Blend it a little bit more. Let's see. Wow. Let's shift it back and forth. I love the dark colors. Wow, I'm really happy with that. There we go, that's the inside. And it's really gonna show up in the garden and attract all the little nature things, all the birds and the bumblebees. They're gonna think it's flowers. So I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to resin it. While I'm waiting for this bird bath, the platter to dry from the alcohol inks, I got some on the inside where the water is gonna go. So I'm just changing my gloves, and we can't let the little birdies get into any ink when they're drinking the water. So I'm gonna clean up. The great thing about alcohol inks, you just use a little rubbing alcohol and you can clean the inside of it. So let me get some rubbing alcohol here and some of my little felt pads, and I'm just gonna wipe it all up inside, and I'll show you the finished glassware. See, it comes right off. Lovely. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful. It's easy to do. If I can do this, you can make one too. I promise you. So that's it. This is what it looks like. The inside. Oh, you know what? There's an area there that's a dot, and I really don't like that. So let me change that up a little bit. Get one of my brushes, with a little bit of alcohol ink on it. Because this is in a circular motion with the ridges there, I like that better. I like so that the colors are coming out, fanning out. There we go. That's better than the dot. So while I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm going to fill the large glass, I guess it's a big vase. It's a big jug. So we're gonna fill that with the rocks and the driftwood, and we'll be right back.